I'm Marcia McNutt, President of the National Academy of Sciences, and I'm thrilled to invite you all to the 159th annual meeting of the Academy and to the presentation for the members who were elected in 2020, a much delayed induction into the Academy, but we're happy it's happening. I want to give a special shout out to all the family, students, mentors, and otherwise general groupies of all of today's honorees. Thank you all for being here, both those of you who are here personally and for our audience online. This is a great day for the Academy, and we're so thrilled to be inducting you formally into the Academy. What I'll do today is I'll begin by introducing each new member by name. Now, after I say their name, do you all clap and scream and jump up and down? No, you do not. You do not. You are quiet until I read a sentence or two about the person's contributions. Then, that is your cue to go ahead and go wild, okay? So wait for that. Joining me on stage today are Sue Wessler, our wonderful Home Secretary, and John Hildebrand, our wonderful International Secretary. All three of us truly wish that as each one of you file up, we could jump up and give you a hug, a handshake, and a high five. But because of COVID, we're not going to do that. But know that that's what we are doing mentally in our minds for each of you in order to celebrate you. So, let's get started with today's presentation ceremony. First is Elizabeth Ainsworth. Ainsworth pioneered strategies for understanding how crops respond to atmospheric change. That was beautifully done, everyone. This is such a sharp audience. I know I don't have to tell you anything twice. Okay, next, Yvette Bahar. Bahar established the elastic network models, a key method for mechanistic description of the way proteins work. Anna Berensmeyer. Berensmeyer's interdisciplinary research has transformed our understanding of the paleoecology of human evolution and land ecosystems through geologic time. Gerard Benarus. Benarus has advanced diverse areas in probability science and its applications for the benefit of statistical physics. Bonnie Berger. Berger established groundbreaking algorithms in structural bioinformatics, biological network analysis, and large-scale genomic data analysis. Nora Banansky. Banansky identified introgressive hybridization as an underappreciated factor contributing to high malaria vectoral capacity in African Anopheline mosquitoes. John Brady. Brady pioneered the description of soft matter system mechanics and is a world leader in fluid dynamics. Alison Brooks. Brooks discovered that the origins of modern human behavior lay in Africa and were far older than previously thought. Terrific. Marilyn Brown. Brown applies behavioral social science to revolutionize how positively effective public policies can be created for energy, GDP, and jobs. Daniela Calzetti. Calzetti advanced astronomy by pioneering new tools for galaxy evolution models, and she has the Calzetti Law named after her to correct for dust obscuration. Ann Case. Case has advanced applied economics by producing empirical evidence linking health outcomes to economic, social, and political institutions. Carlton Caves. Caves transformed our understanding of quantum measurement and advanced the field of quantum physics. Howard Chang. Chang defined the role of long, non-coding RNAs, which control cell fates, to benefit human health. Yifeng Chen. Chen is a biochemistry and biophysics pioneer in cryo-EM, providing unprecedented mechanistic insight into the nature of membrane proteins. Arul Chinayan. Chinayan has innovated bioinformatics by focusing on gene fusions that are primary oncogenic driver mechanism of tumors. Angela Cristiano. Cristiano revolutionized molecular genetics through her discoveries of new therapeutic targets for skin diseases and medical applications. James Clark. Clark forges new paths in statistical analysis and modeling on critical problems in plant and global change ecology. Victor Corsus. Corsus advanced molecular biology by illuminating the molecular mechanisms that regulate genome architecture. Laura DeMarco. DeMarco leads mathematics in dynamical systems and complex analysis, notably the dynamics of polynomial and rational mappings on algebraic varieties. Ellen Druffel. Druffel advanced oceanography and geochemistry through her work in understanding the carbon cycle of marine organic matter. Catherine Freese. Freese advanced our understanding of the universe through her pioneering work in theoretical cosmology at the interface of particle physics and astrophysics. Julia Galloway. Galloway advanced condensed matter physics through her invention of theoretical methods for computing the electronic properties of molecules and materials. James Galloway. Galloway revolutionized biogeochemistry through investigations into the negative human impact on air and water quality worldwide. Got lots of cheers, lots of cheers. Okay, Susan Golden Meadow. Golden Meadow's breakthrough work on language creation in children not exposed to language demonstrates how human minds shape human language. Douglas Green. Green transformed biological science through his research concerning the process of active cell death and cell survival in cancer. Robert Grease. Grease has transformed mathematics through work on finite sample groups, notably the monster sporadic group, and on vertex algebra theory. Raymond Hamas. Hamas's major contribution to anthropology expands our understanding of human behavior through extensive quantification of social and economic behaviors from an evolutionary perspective. Thomas Hensinger. Hensinger advanced computer science through his pioneering work building tools for the design and verification of reliable computerized systems. Mark Hirschman. Hirschman furthered Earth and planetary science through modeling and experiments of planetary interiors and of deep planetary volatile cycles. Greg Howe. Howe's groundbreaking research into how plants resist insect attack has implications in creating more stress-tolerant crops. Yang Huan. Huan created and pioneered two transformative technologies, stretchable electronics and buckling-controlled deterministic 3D assembly. James Hurley. Hurley has advanced cellular membrane biology through his discoveries in the structure and biophysical properties of membrane-associated proteins. Terence Hua. Hua developed quantitative approaches leading to fundamental breakthroughs in understanding microbial physiology, including catabolic repression, overflow metabolism, and growth control. Kathleen Hall Jameson. Jameson studies how language, content, format, structure, and message framing affect people's attitudes and behavior. Christopher Jarzinski. Jarzinski's non-equilibrium work theorem provided powerful new algorithms in computer simulations and created new fields of research in nanoscale science. Mark Jenkins. Jenkins invented numerous methods to analyze helper T cells and revealed anatomic aspects of immune responses. Carl June. June developed adoptive cell therapies to benefit cancer and HIV patients and developed the first FDA-approved gene therapy. Scott Keeney. Keeney's research uncovered the molecular mechanisms allowing cells to make and repair breaks in their DNA during meiosis. Elizabeth Kellogg. Kellogg revolutionized our understanding of the biodiversity of grasses and cereals and unlocked the genetic potential of crops. John Cormandy. Cormandy forged new concepts about galaxy structure and is a leader in detecting and measuring black holes. Adrian Craner. Craner elucidated biochemical mechanisms of RNA processing and developed the therapeutic applications for genetic disease and cancer. Clifford Kubiak. Kubiak is a pioneer in artificial photosynthesis, focusing on carbon dioxide reduction, electron transfer, and molecular nanostructures. Christine Larson. Larson pioneered global positioning systems through her development of algorithms for geodesy and new geophysical applications. Richard Lewis. Lewis is a pioneer in the study of store-operated calcium channels, defining their properties, underlying mechanisms, and essential roles in immune response. Christopher Lima. Lima revealed unprecedented insights into RNA and protein biology, resolving mechanisms underlying post-translational protein modification and RNA decay. Kirsten Lindblad-Troe. Lindblad-Troe established the domestic dog as a disease model with medical parallels to human genetic disease diagnostics, etiology, and therapy. Diana Liverman. Liverman's breakthrough research addresses the human dimensions of global environmental change, climate policy, adaptation, and mitigation, especially in the developing world. Arunava Majumdar. Majumdar pioneered energy science by illuminating the mechanisms and applications of nanoscale heat, mass, and charge interactions, as well as transport. Andrew McMahon. McMahon advanced developmental biology and regenerative medicine through his research exploring cell-cell interactions. Miriam Murad. Murad made important breakthroughs in understanding the regulation of the innate immune system and its contribution to health and disease. Scott Miller. Miller pioneered the discovery and development of new catalysts for complex molecular synthesis and derivation in chemical syntheses. Andrew Millis. Millis has advanced the science of physics through his research in condensed matter physics and materials science. Sean Morrison. Morrison elucidated cell-intrinsic and cell-extrinsic mechanisms that regulate stem cell self-renewal, including identifying networks of proto-oncogenes and tumor suppressors. Kim Orth. Orth advances understanding about pathogenic bacteria's subversion of host signaling pathways during infection, providing molecular insights into eukaryotic signaling systems. Olivier Pourquier. Pourquier has made major contributions towards understanding the molecular mechanism underlying vertebrate segmentation through which the periodic organization of the spine is established during embryogenesis. Molly Zavorsky. Zavorsky pioneered new concepts about how genetic and evolutionary mechanisms give rise to and maintain heritable variation. Michael Rosen. Rosen has advanced biophysics through his work in understanding how cells stay organized using biochemical, biophysical, and structural characterization. John Rubinstein. Rubinstein leads new science in revealing transcriptional bases of neuronal specification and patterning in the mammalian forebrain. Peter Sarno. Sarno has advanced understanding of how liver-specific microRNA amplifies hepatitis C virus, indicating new directions for antiviral therapeutics. John Schiller. Schiller pioneered new approaches for vaccines against viral and cellular targets through his leadership in the papillomavirus field. Sandra Schmidt. Schmidt has advanced cellular and molecular biology through her work defining a fundamental mechanism governing the regulation of endocytosis. Erin Schumann. Schumann has transformed neurobiology through her discoveries in the cell biology of synapses, innovating our understanding of synaptic transmission, proteostasis, and plasticity. Janet Smith. Smith advanced knowledge of the structure and function of dengue and Zika virus proteins, biosynthetic enzymes, and human antiviral proteins. Suzanne Staggs. Staggs is a leader in experimental physics through her measurements that illuminate the nature of cosmic microwave backgrounds. Samuel Stoop. Stoop advanced chemistry through pioneering work in supramolecular and materials chemistry and by developing bioactive peptide assemblies for tissue regeneration. Roger Summons. Summons has advanced biogeochemistry and geobiology in researching the coevolution of Earth's life and environment through molecular and isotopic biosignatures. Lorraine Simmington. Simmington is a leader in mechanics of DNA double-strand break repair and genome integrity regulation in eukaryotes. Peter Tontanos. Tontanos solved the perennial problem of how cholesterol moves between the plasma membrane and the endoplasmic reticulum. Robert Tycho. By applying new experimental methods, Tycho transformed our understanding of amyloid fibril structures, including those associated with Alzheimer's disease. Jeffrey Ullman. Ullman, one of the founders of database theory, has set new standards for understanding compilers, data structures, and databases. Veronica Veda. Veda has made fundamental contributions in chemistry and environmental science through her new research in atmospheric chemistry and climate. Barbara Valent. Valent forged new science in plant pathogen interactions through her work on fungal pathogenesis and host resistance, benefiting global food security. Elke Weber. Weber studies how feelings, norms, and social physical context affect people's decisions in risky situations with particular relevance to climate change. Janet Worker. Worker has transformed psychological knowledge through her research on infant speech perception, both monolingual and bilingual, and language acquisition. Timothy Wilson. Wilson, the preeminent scientist of self-knowledge, has investigated the limits of introspection, dual attitudes, effective forecasting, and emotional adaptation. Karen Woolley. Woolley's dynamic contributions to organic chemistry focus on developing novel polymers and nanostructured materials for targeted applications. Ofer Zaytouni. Zaytouni contributed new ideas in probability theory, notably concerning large deviations, random matrices, logarithmically correlated fields, and random walks. Okay, now we're going to transition to our amazing international new members. Brenda Andrews. Andrews leads research in the development and application of genetic interaction networks through mapping the genetic landscape of a cell. Spencer Barrett. Barrett has advanced the science of evolutionary biology through his work on plant reproductive and genetic systems. Yoav Benjamini. Benjamini advances science through his influential introduction of the false discovery rate concept and methodologies. Renee Bernards. Bernards innovated cancer treatments through genetic screening processes for the treatment of BRAF mutant colon cancer. John Dalibor. Dalibor transformed atomic, molecular, and optical physics, increasing knowledge of quantum matter and pioneering the AMO condensed matter connection. Anthony Hyman. Hyman established new paths to understanding organelle assembly and function through roles of phase separation in intrinsically disordered proteins. Bo Barker Jorgensen. Jorgensen studies the biogeochemistry and microbial ecology of marine sediments to reveal the importance of key processes to the seabed. Richard Morris. Morris has contributed to neuroscience through new behavioral tasks, working on NMDA receptors, synaptic tagging, and hippocampus. Timothy Palmer. Palmer has furthered understanding of weather and climate phenomena through his pioneering development of probabilistic weather prediction. Fiona Powry. Powry established new understanding of T-cell regulation in gut inflammation, opening potential new therapies for inflammatory bowel diseases. Volker Springel. Springel has transformed computational astrophysics, advancing our theoretical understanding of the properties and distribution of matter in the universe. Donna Strickland. Strickland is a pioneer in physics who co-created the practical implementation of chirped pulse amplification. So, thank you very much. You have been a fabulous audience. Fabulous. Let's have one more round of applause for these fantastic new members of the Academy.